In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Yardworks 24-volt 17-amp cordless lawnmower. First, remove the outside cover and prepare the new battery. It is also a good idea to take a picture of the battery wiring. You can then refer to this during your installation. Remove the straps holding the battery in. If the new battery is larger, you can use a tie wrap to hold the battery in place. Remove the positive, then negative terminal wires from the battery. Remove the batteries and keep the small pads for the new battery. The battery I installed is larger, and the green wire doesn't quite reach the terminal. You may have to loosen the wire from the start switch and give some length to the green wire. I used a 36-inch tie wrap to secure the battery in place.